Okay, this is the part I've been waiting for. I'm so excited. Okay, so first I'm going to clean the outside of the glass one more time. Have a water bottle and rag. And then we're going to black it out with Plasti-Dip, which is awesome and something another YouTuber recommended in their videos. Actually, I've seen it multiple times. We're going to spray it on the outside of the tank. But what's cool about it is if I ever upgrade my tank or downgrade and I want to sell this one, Plasti-Dip just peels right off. Makes it rubber. But what's even cooler is I'm going to be affixing American Eagle sticker to the back of this. And all the sides are going to get blacked out except for the front viewing, which is why I have that tip down. I also have it pushed up so I don't get any inside the tank that I have to scrape off or peel off later. But, so, we're going to prepare the tank now. Okay, so we have our first coat on. We don't want it real thick. It's just to make the next coats easier. Spray it on top of this so it'll hold that in place eventually. And we have to wait 30 minutes in between each coat, but we're gonna keep doing it and until it's done, and then we'll show you. Okay, so I need to clean my glass a little bit so you can see better, but maybe I can get a good angle, I don't know. Here it is. Took 7 coats and only 5 of those were Plasti-Dip. Actually, that would actually be 8 coats, my bad, because after the 5th coat of Plasti-Dip I did black paints, and that still wasn't helping. I could still see my hand through the glass. So then I did some blue and gold and gold and blue, which helped darken it up, and maybe, who knows, maybe it'll glitter when it's all set up and my black light's in there. Few things. If you get a bent sticker, find a way to flatten it, or complain and get one that's not bent. This was folded at one point. Now it came in the mail rolled up, which shouldn't have left any actual fold lines, but I think at one point in the shipment or manufacturing, I don't know, it ended up getting folded. So because of that, I had some issues with staying in place on the back. After a few coats of Plasti-Dip, I put paint tape to hold it in place. I'm still thinking I'm putting like a foam board, cut it to fit in between the things, and then tape it in place to help kind of hold it. Maybe put like a brace. I don't know. But I want to protect that sticker the best I can. But pretty cool. But see, this is how we ended up getting paint along our edges of the sticker, because of the fact that it was bent, so it didn't want to lay flat. Couple tips. Yeah, just make sure you get a flat sticker. Or find a way to flatten it to where there's no fold lines. Plasti dip is okay, but not as good as it was made out to be, in my opinion. I think it's good for the first couple of coats, but I think you're always going to have to use spray paint over the top of it. I don't know, maybe I just wasn't doing it right. So anyway, so the next time you see this, it'll be all set up with fish in it, plant life. Well, I say life, but fake plants. I am not good enough to do live plants yet. I'll get there one day. All this stuff that I do, it's my first time doing it, so of course it's not professional, but I want to show people that no matter who you are, it can be done. And don't be afraid to try projects, and hopefully give other people ideas too. You know, I haven't seen something like this on YouTube. It doesn't mean it's not out there, but this is going to be pretty cool. So keep watching. We still have our base to build, which is going to be pretty cool. My brother calls it a transformer. And so, yeah, we look forward to you watching the next video. And so like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time on DIYing it with Mia.